This is how you buy the Liqfinity NFT. So this is their Discord. Just search for that or scroll down and find that NFT Liqfinity Pioneer. Then you see a link that will lead you to Opensea. That's it. Just copy it by clicking that copy link. Alright, so after that, go to your MetaMask, and we are going to use the inbuilt web browser. So click there. That's the browser, and you'll be able to paste your link. I already opened this Opensea page, but just long press, then paste. Click on paste, then click on go or search for that page. When you reach there, make sure you connect your wallet by clicking there. When you do that, they'll prompt you, show you different wallets. Select MetaMask, then click on connect. After that, it will load and ask for permission, I guess. Oh, I already approved it. So on your case, they will tell you to sign permission. But yeah, we go ahead and click on buy now. And they will show you the amount. So it's not that costly. It's $2.43. They are showing 42 there. So that's the total. And we are doing all this to qualify for the airdrop. So you're spending some money. We already did the testnet. Now this is an extra, to give you an extra step to earn their airdrop. Alright, congrats. You got it. And after that, that's it. Okay, you just go back to the Discord and get their role. It's called the Liqfinity Pioneer. So I'm going to leave all the links in the description below so that you see how to do it. I decided to show you how to do it. So when you come back to their Discord server, at the very top you will see verify your NFT. So click there, and then you click on let's go. So this will prompt you or tell you to add your address that you used when you're buying that NFT, and when you do so, you're they will assign a role to you. Let me see if I can see some previous messages. I can't see it, but let me go and try to chat in this. So let's say I say hello, and let me go back. Whoa, where has my message gone? Let me type again. Hello. I think hello isn't that important. Keep building. I think that makes sense than hello. So as you can see, I have this tag, or by clicking on this, you'll see that I have a role called Liqfinity Pioneer. So when you buy your NFT, just come to the Discord, go to the extreme top and verify your NFT. So they will tell you to connect the address that you used when you're buying, and they will verify and assign that role to you. And it's this that they will consider to give you some extra allocation when this project launches. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos. Bye bye.